Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I wanted to come on with you guys for a little bit today. Not making anything or anything like that. I may do something like that later on, but I wanted to at least let you know a little bit about what's going on and give you, I guess, a little bit of announcements for this week. Mostly because I've been making some changes and trying to, I don't know, tweak my blog and email and channel, all those good things. First thing I wanted to let you guys know is something that's coming up in February, so you get plenty of time to plan for it and mark your calendars. I'll be giving more information as it gets closer. Last July, Brandy Mahon put on a Card Maker Success Summit. I don't know if you guys, check that out or anything. I think I did post on Facebook about it a little bit. Because I went on a couple of the classes and they were awesome. But I got picked to be in the next one, which is going to be in February, which is totally awesome. I'm also planning on going ahead and starting my first workshops. I think I'm going to do, the first one is going to be a Christmas card. And let me look at my calendar real quick, because I'm thinking possibly a week or two after Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pencil in that I'm going to do the first Christmas card workshop on December the 4th. Don't have a time set yet for it, but I would like for you guys to leave comments down below, give me your opinions and that sort of thing. If you've got a preferred timeline, that is a Saturday, December 4th. December 4th. I do, of course, have to double check, make sure I don't have anything else that I've got to get done that specific day, but I think that one's good. And I am going to, the cost on that one is going to be $15. If it's got any supplies that you might need, I will leave you affiliate links, but you don't have to purchase anything. It's up to you guys how you want to do that one. But I will go ahead and let you know what supplies we're going to be doing ahead of time. I'm going to put together a worksheet, all those good things to go along with it. And that's a little bit different than our regular live streams and videos. There's going to be, for anyone who is one of my Crafty supporter members on the YouTube channel, I'm going to be giving you guys a 10% discount on those tickets. Next up is live streams. We've been doing a Tuesday night live stream since the beginning of the year, actually since last December, I think. And, excuse me. What I'm thinking of doing is to change it up a little bit, because I love having people on. You guys seem to love having people on with me, so I've got a guest crafter crafting along with me, that kind of stuff. I'm thinking of expanding it a little bit and inviting more than one person to craft along with me. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, I'm going to set up a poll over on the community tab. I'll leave a link down below for you too, so you can let me know which you prefer. And you can always leave a comment down below if you've got, more than one preference or that sort of thing. Would you rather me just do it all by myself? Have one guest, two guests, three guests? I don't think I want to have more than 4 people on the screen at once, because I think that's going to get a little bit too distracting. And if I have more than just the one person, I will have to take more care in making sure that we kind of cycle through and let you guys see everything that they're doing all the time. So that's something that's in the plans. Next up is something that I changed this weekend. I set up new email notifications on my email newsletter that goes along with my blog, so that you not only get notified when a new blog post goes up, but I've got it set up to let you know whenever a new video goes up. Because one of the biggest complaints that I hear from people all over the place, it doesn't matter what social media outlet it is, people complain that they don't get notified all the time with YouTube. Well, one way I can try to work around that is to send you an email on the day that a new video goes out. What that means is that anytime during the day that it goes out, the next morning you'll get an email notification. So it's not the same day, it's not immediately when the thing goes up, but you will get that. Now, if you think I need to change it so it goes out faster, I can do that too. I think I know how to tweak it so that it goes out immediately after a new video gets posted. But again, let me know in the comments what you think. Last order of business is another thing that I am thinking about doing, but I want you guys' opinions on. We have been over in my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie. We've been doing monthly swaps, which I want to continue, which is awesome. But I'm wondering if maybe we should also add a challenge to the mix. So you guys let me know what you think. It would basically be finding some kind of a technique or card type or memory deck or something that would be a challenge where everyone would, they would try to create whatever it is, post their photos, allow me to also post them over on my blog. So that means you get a little bit extra feedback. And if you have a website or a YouTube channel, I would of course link to those so that people could go and have another way to find you. And of course, I'll go and check out your channel. So anyway, that's kind of all that I got right now. Let me just make sure. We've got the Card Maker Success Summit in February. We've got my new workshops that are going to start. The first one is a Christmas card workshop. It's going to be on December 4th. And I will keep you guys posted in case anything changes on that. I'm thinking of doing on maybe once or twice a month. You guys let me know your opinions. Members would be getting a 10% discount, and that is the channel members. The only membership I have set up at this point in time is the Crafty supporters, because you guys are supporting me and you are my Crafty supporters, and I love you for it. And you're basically just doing it to help me keep the channel moving and growing and such. The live streams, do we want to start inviting multiple people in? 1, 2, 3 guests plus me. What do you think? And email notifications of your videos that are getting posted, videos that are going up, and Facebook groups. Do we want to add a challenge? So I'm going to leave 2. By the time you see this video, you should see it, but there's going to be 2 different polls over in the community tab, and I'll leave a link down in the description of this video in case you don't know how to get to the community tab on my channel. But I'm going to leave polls for both of those. One's having to do with, do we want to add a challenge? I think I'm going to add that one also over in the group itself. And another one saying, how many guests do you want me to start off with? I mean, this is a work in progress. We're always trying to make it a little bit better and more fun for everybody. So we could try it one way for a while, see how that works. We can always change it up to another. But at this point in time, what would you prefer? Anyway, you guys have a wonderful crafty day. And remember, if I can make it, you can too. Talk to you later.